Morret today with a new video. I'm back on camera, guys. It's been a minute without me vlogging and I feel like a newcomer doing this. I really missed you guys so much. But yes, we are back with a new vlog. I'm gonna be vlogging this whole day for you, so stay tuned to enjoy whatever I'm gonna be doing throughout the day. If it's your first time here, Morret is my name. You're most welcome to my channel. Please never subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's lay my bed, guys. So this is how my bed turned out after me laying it, and that is how I'll jump right in at 10 p.m. because most times I sleep at 10. Cause I only want. Do you have things that don't belong to you? I have this bracelet, but I don't know the owner. So we happened to wash yesterday, and these are the clothes that didn't dry up because it rained, and now I have to take them out to dry. Since I don't do lots of makeup, I just put lipstick, but today I don't feel like putting one. I'm just going to put my lip gloss. This is how it looks like. Baby, yeah, I only want you. Yeah, 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 yeah. All for my first. Baby, yeah, I only want you. Yeah, 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 yeah. So I'm still looking for something to plait, and then I can remove my braids. But for now, we'll still rock the old braids. Yes, we hit 1.16k subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. It's like we added 10 subscribers because we were at 1.15. It's now 1.16. So please continue subscribing. Let's make it to 1.2k subscribers. My hairstyle for a day and the face for the day. So let's get the outfit of the day. And this is how the outfit came out.